Hi, my name's Hasan and I'm going to teach you how to use Explain Everything. If you can't find the app, you could just search for it on the iPad, and if you try to search Explain Everything, just write E and then it'll come up. If you can't find the app, you could just search for it on the iPad. Just write the first letter of the app and it'll come up. So say if you try to find Explain Everything, just write E and it'll come up. So if you can't find the app, you could search for it on the iPad. You just have to write the first letter of the app and it'll come up. See, I wrote E and Explain Everything comes up. So you just press that and then
This is your last time, so stop it.
So if you want to search for the app, you could go to the iPad menu thing and then you have to write the first letter of the app. So you could find the thing.
Hi. Right guys, we're getting...
If you want to search for an app and you can't find it on the iPad, you could go and you could search on it on the iPad menu thing, and you have to write the first letter of the app so you can find it. I'm trying to find Explain Everything. Yeah, I just wrote E. So yeah, let's move on. If you can't find the app, you could search for it on the iPad. You just have to write the first letter of the... If you can't find the app, you could search for it on the iPad. And then you just have to write the first letter of the app and it will come up. If you can't find the app, you could search for it from the iPad. You just have to write the first letter from the app and it will come up. Just write E and Explain Everything will come up. If you can't find the app, you could search for it on the iPad. You just have to write the first letter of the app and it will come up. Just write E and Explain Everything will come up. If you can't find the app, you could go on the iPad menu. Go on the iPad menu and then you could search for it. But you just have to write the first letter and it'll come up of the app and it'll come up. And if you write E, Explain Everything will come up if you have it on your iPad. And I want to show you the options. This option with the green plus sign on it, it means create a new slide. And this to slide, that means create a new that's a slide sorter. This is a pen, that's a pointy thing like this, and that's an arrow to point stuff. And this is a text thing, so you could write text like this. So yeah, and that picture thing, it uploads pictures to the thing, to Explain Everything like this. And I'm going to show you the options here. So this option with the green plus sign is making a new slide, and this one is making a new this is like a slide sorter. It sorts out your slides. This pen is for drawing if you want to write stuff like this. And This thing is an arrow thing, so you could just do that and then arrow comes up. And this is a text, and you just press it on right. And then yeah. And this is a thingy uploading, a photo uploading thing onto thing. So you press on that and then go to photo and then I'm going to show you the options right here. This thing here with the green plus thing on plus sign on it, that means making a new slide. And this is a slide sorter, so you could sort out your slides. This is a pen. This one, that's a pen. You can draw stuff like this and stuff. Yeah, and there's a arrow thing. You could do that too. You could do arrow, and then there's text. That one. If you press on it, you can write everything. And then there's a thing. I'm going to show you the options. This option is like to make another. This one like is to make another slide. This option is for making that's a slide sorter, so you could sort slides. That's a pen. You could write or draw everything. And that thing is an arrow. You could draw. You could do arrows with that. Any kind of shapes. It could be a square, circle.
Then here's how to download pictures.
And there's a
button
text bit. I could show you how to use it. Just press on it, and you just write anything.
Press from camera.
And then
Press it. If you want to take it.
and then if you press this button, you could upload pictures to explain everything. That's cool. And that's a deleting button. You press that, and then you press that any picture like this, and delete like this, and then delete it. This is like to undo stuff. That's to undo stuff too. That's the zoom. So yeah, let's move on. And I want to show you the options. The first option is to make a new slide. The second option is your slide sorter. You can sort slides. This is your pen. You could draw your stuff and stuff. Yeah, and this is like a pointy thing. When you're trying to like explain, you could point it out like this. And this is a shape thing. You could put arrow, circle. And this is a text. You could write stuff like this, like this, and this second button is for uploading. Is uploading photos to explain everything like this. You could no. Oh, I forget. I'm going to talk about the options. The first option is to make a new slide, and the second option is to sort your slides out. The pen thing is for draw pictures like this, and this And this thing is like the pointer thing. Say you're trying to explain something, you could just point to it, and it would like. And this is a pointer arrow. It will draw arrows and stuff like this. Here.
And I'm going to explain everything about it. Explain everything.
And you could write text like this. And yeah, and that X mark is for deleting stuff. Like you press on it, and then you press on the picture, and you just press X on the top, and I'll delete it. And that thing is like to read. I'm not quite sure, but this one is like, if you don't want that picture, you could just press that and it'll go away. It'll bring your old one. And this is a zoom one. You could zoom, see? And yeah, let's move on. And I want to show you the options. This first option is for creating a new slide. The second option is for a slide sorter. The third option is a pen. Like this is like what I've drawn. And this one is for shapes and lines. I did an arrow there. Yeah, and there's text. You could write like something like that, and then you could put pictures on your thing, and then you could delete stuff. You just have to press on it, and I press on the picture that you want to delete, and just press X, and it will delete. And I go on that one. I'm not sure what you do, but this one you could redo or undo, some people call it, and that magnifying glass is for zooming in. You just press it and you zoom in. And if you don't want to zoom in, you could do that. You could so tiny. Yeah, so tiny. So this is a cool feature. If you press one of these, like this happens. You could do anything, show your work more clearly. So yeah. If you want to pick a different thing, pointer, you could pick one of these. A laser, a big one, a laser arrow, a green arrow, an arrow, a mouse and stuff. This is like a pointer. You could choose a pointer. There's a laser and an arrow and stuff. And this is like shapes that I told you in the thing. When we're doing that thing, that option thing, you could pick any color and then you could do any shapes. And this is to do pointers, shapes and lines. You could pick any shape, and from like circles, square, star, arrow or line. And you could pick any color of your shape, and you could pick of a shape thing, and you could pick any shape too. And this is a pen color. I told you that too. This is how thickness you want and stuff. You could and this is your drawing pen option. You press any color and you could pick the thickness of the pen. And this is a slide sorter I told you. This is how you sort slides. And yeah. This is the slide sorter I told you earlier. You could sort slides. And if you want to upload this to YouTube, I don't know.
Don't worry, because I'm sure, girls, Josh will give you some more time at a later date, but it is home time, so you need to home time.
And for last. you press export, and then it says options of YouTube, email, Dropbox, and etc. And yeah, if you want to put it on YouTube, you press YouTube and you log into your YouTube account, and it would download it there. So, and then this is the end. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope you understand how to explain everything. The end. Bye guys.